Asus ROG Strix G Gaming Laptop. GL531GT-EB76. GTX 1650. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I just purchased it for almost a week and I have to say, its performance is crazy. I tried to play PUBG, CSGO, LOL, and Apex Legends on this, and it works like a charm. And I even use other game apps as well as Discord as my overlayer app. Overall, this laptop is great and you can't beat its value. The screen is nice and smooth, there aren't any dead pixels and the color is consistent throughout the screen. The keyboard is easy enough to use, the travel is fine for my hands. It does feel squishy, if that makes any sense, if you are used to using a mechanical keyboard. This is a single-zone RGB keyboard, it only displays one color at a time. I really wish it was a multi-zone RGB keyboard so it could have that cool rainbow wave effect. The LED lights under the laptop are really cool, they are 5-zone RGB lights and can be customized using Asus's Aura Creator. I tried it for a little bit and it would maybe take me a couple of hours to get it the way I wanted, so I just left it alone. I wish they had a preset effect where the bottom RGB lights would have that wave effect. The laptop is very fast and smooth to use. There isn't a USB-C port, which I wish it had. There isn't a webcam either, but I don't usually use one anyway. The weight is okay for a 17-inch laptop, I have it in one place and barely move it around, so not a big deal for me. The biggest con to this laptop is the battery life, it lasts me less than 3 hours. But if you're looking for a laptop with high specs and are able to play games that don't break the bank, this is a good option. Pros. Beautiful RGB lights, I absolutely love having them. Very slick appearance. Love the triple fan capabilities, silent, performance, turbo, as well as the customization that comes with it. The graphics are insane compared to my MacBook, and including my current PC, I switched from PC to laptop for portability reasons. Everything runs pretty smoothly, able to run many things open at once. Does not come pre-installed with a lot of additional software. The battery pack is very small, very portable, and not bulky. Extremely portable, quite light, and thin for a gaming laptop actually. Cons. The only issue I had is trying to set up RGB keyboard lights. Downloaded Hexa-Core to set up lights, keeps saying no available devices. I've tried to troubleshoot on forums and just can't get it to work. But I've downloaded ROG Core, which customized the keyboard but not the lights on the bottom of the laptop. Amazing looking laptop, the screen looks great, RGB keyboard looks good. Runs games like Ark Survival Evolved and COD smoothly with steady FPS. Battery life is weak, had it unplugged for 2.5 hours just surfing the web and playing low-rec games. Overall a great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.